One of the phones na nag-rank number 1 sa DXO Mark camera ranking. This is the Honor Magic 5 Pro. And in this video guys, pag-usapan natin kanyang design, ang kanyang gaming performance, ang kanyang overall feel, and best of all, ang kanyang camera performance. So tara, simulan muna natin with a quick unboxing. So hi guys, ako si Rich from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I have here is one of the former champ ng DXO Mark for camera. And this is the Honor Magic 5 Pro. And I heard na sobrang ganda ng kanyang performance. So of course, let's start it with a quick unboxing. So what I have here is a 12 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage. And ang kanyang colors is meadow green. Isa ko lang. So kita natin, this is the phone itself. And yung color niya is meadow green. It looks kind of nice. Pag inilawan niya ng mahusto, makita niyo may mga pagka-starry-starry na glitters dito. And it really looks good. So ito kanyang camera module. Medyo protruded nga lang siya ng konti. Sa ilalim meron sa loudspeaker, Type-C port, of course, kanyang SIM tray. So check ko lang. So kita natin we can support to 5G na nano SIM. Walang expansion port. On this side, it's pretty clear. Meron siyang antenna bands. Sa ibabaw, nandiyan ang kanyang second loudspeaker. Nandiyan ang kanyang noise cancelling mic. Of course, kanyang IR. On the other side, it's power button and of course your volume rocker. And ang kanyang front-facing camera, meron siyang notch dito, dalawang hole. And by the way guys, this one is a quad curve na screen. So curve siya dito on both sides, sa left and right. And curve din siya dito sa up and down. Which gives you extra smoothness when you're swiping up and down and up. Other things inside the box, andyan ang kanyang SIM ejector pin. Pag sinalpak natin, this is how it looks like. Well, looks cool. Andiyan ang kanyang 66 watts na Honor supercharged na charging brick. And of course, andiyan ang kanyang Type-C cable. So guys, nakita na ang full unboxing nitong Honor Magic 5 Pro. And this is kanyang screen and I can say the experience dito is definitely smooth dahil sa kanyang high na refresh rate. And what's nice din dito sa kanya is that it has quad curve na screen. So meaning hindi lang curve dito sa gilid, left and right, but curve din siya sa ibabaw and sa ilalim. So if you are frequently swiping from up and from down to up, mas smoother ang experience. So walang sabit dito, hindi siya makanto dito, as well as hindi rin siya makanto dito sa ilalim. Now itong phone na ito sports the latest processor na meron ni Qualcomm, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So doing everything dito sa phone na ito, multitasking, playing games, watching videos, everything is definitely very smooth. Now, itong phone na ito is running inside Android 13 and it's being powered by the Magic OS 7.1. So, lahat ng ginagawa ko dito, sarap gamitin. No? Scrolling dito sa phone na ito is definitely smooth and it's really nice to binge watch on this phone. One of the good things din dito sa kanya is meron din siyang Play Store intact. So, definitely everything is here. Lahat ng apps na gusto mo i-download, kompleto dito sa Honor Magic 5 Pro. Now, this phone is a 6.81-inch na LTPO OLED display and it can reproduce up to 1 billion of colors and it has a 120 Hz of screen refresh rate and supporting HDR10+. Ang kanyang maximum brightness is at 1,800 nits. And ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio is around 91%. So expect almost bezel-less display din dito sa phone na ito. Except siguro medyo kumakain ng space na itong double punch hole niya. You can change yung kanyang color temperature dito. I love to use vivid para mas maganda ang kanyang resolution. No? But you can always use normal para mas balanse. Pwede ka rin mag-calibrate dito na kanyang resolution. Pwede ka mag-manual or pwede ka mag-smart resolution. Depende sa gusto ninyo. No? But if you're using manual, pwede mo set sa high or you can always use smart resolution para sarili na siya. Then, dito naman sa kanyang refresh rate, you can choose between dynamic na sarili na siya mag-a-adjust or you can choose between 60, 90, or 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. So, meron din siya video enhancer dito, no, which gives you better experience when you're watching videos on YouTube. And meron din siya frame rate booster to give you better experience din sa YouTube. So, tingnan natin kung very responsive ang kanyang fingerprint scanner. Okay. So, enrolling is very fast. Yan, no. Very light touch lang ginagawa ko sa kanya. And ang bilis siya response. Yan, so okay na. So try lang natin. Bilis oh. Oh, sobrang light touch lang yun ah. Very responsive ang kanyang fingerprint scanner. Now, watching videos on this one sa YouTube, sa Netflix, sa Disney Plus, and I can say na sobrang ganda ng kanyang screen dito, and it really gives you yung urge na mag-binge watch dito sa phone nito dahil sa kanyang ganda ng display. So, watching anime, Korean novela, basketball game, or even movies, sobrang enjoy dito sa phone na ito. So, if you're watching it together with your family, your barkada, okay na okay to share itong screen niya together with the whole squad. Now, one thing na na-impress din dito sa phone na ito is maganda nga ng sounds dito sa kanyang loudspeaker. So, sa ilalim, it has 6 holes dito sa ilalim, and sa ibabaw, it has 5 holes. So, almost balance naman between the down-firing speaker and the upward-firing speaker dito. It gives you a immersive experience. But of course, kung gusto nyo ng more personal experience, I would say na use some Bluetooth na TWS para mas maganda ang inyong experience. So if you're browsing on TikTok, on Instagram, sa Twitter, very smooth dahil sa kanyang 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Ganito na ma-experience you're watching on Facebook, smooth na smooth din ang kanyang transition. Ito has 5,100 mAh of battery size and kaya na mag-support up to 66 watts na wired charging using itong Honor Supercharged na charging brick. Now, being said that this is a flagship, I was wondering kung sana ginawa man lang nila na 100 watts daw para mas mabilis ang charging dito sa phone na ito since kaya-kaya naman ng Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But of course, ito lang ang binigay sa atin ni Honor. So yeah, charging from 0 to 100 takes me roughly mga isang oras to completely full charging cycle. Now, itong phone na ito doesn't only support wired charging, it also supports 50 watts na wireless charging. It also supports reverse wireless charging and of course, 5 watts na reverse na wired charging. You ask me kung itong phone na ito would be able to survive a whole day without charging. Yes, kaya-kaya naman niya. And honestly, okay naman yung kanyang battery. No? Medyo makunat naman. But if you're intensive using it for gaming the whole day, ay half day pala siguro nag-charge ka na. But if you're using it just for socials, for taking photos, watching some videos, kaya naman niya one whole day. Now, naglaro naman tayo ng 2 games dito sa phone na ito, playing Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact. Now, si Call of Duty Mobile, sinet natin sa all high settings. I can say, sarap maglaro nito sa phone na ito, itong game na ito. This shooting game is one of my favorite game of all time. So, playing this game sa flagship phone like this one, it gives you one of the best experience ever on a smartphone playing this game. Sobrang responsive ka ng touch. And ganda na ka ng screen, to be honest with you. Lalo na yung kanyang quad curve dito. Gives you better experience when you're swiping left and right pag nakahiga yung phone. Now, ang kanyang sound is really good and very immersive when playing this game. Now, moving on to Genshin Impact, which is a little bit more intense itong game na ito. Now, sinet naman natin sa all high settings, 60 FPS din ang sinet natin. So, playing this game for the first 50 minutes is okay. Smooth naman siya, wala nang napapansin na frame drops. But the moment na nag-hit na ako ng 30 minutes, doon na-feel ko medyo a little bit may mga frame drops na napapansin. So, along the way, pansin ko pag medyo heavy na yung battle, mapapansin mo na may noticeable siyang frame drops dito sa kanya. So, yun ang napansin ko dito sa gameplay ng Genshin Impact. But if you're playing with yung mga light na enemies, walang problema. When you're walking and you're swimming, okay naman siya. But if you're playing against yung mga major bosses dito sa Genshin Impact, doon mo mafe-feel na parang medyo naglalag na siya. No? Right now, pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang camera dito sa phone na ito. This one is being ranked as one of the number 1 sa DXO mark for the past 2 months. But of course, sa bilis ng panahon, there are other phones na nag-catch up agad to take the number 1 spot. But nevertheless, this is one of the best camera available in the market right now. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-design dito sa camera ring dito sa likod. And yeah, it looks very much like a flagship phone. And this one hosts 3 50MP na camera. So, starting off with a 50MP na wide lens na may OIS support. Then, it has a 50MP na periscope telephoto lens na may up to 3.5 times na optical zoom together with a 50MP na ultra-wide lens, and it has 3D depth sensor. Ang best na kaya na i-take dito the video is 4K and 60 FPS. Now, sa harap naman niya is a 12MP na ultra-wide lens together with a 3D depth sensor. This one can shoot up to 4K in 30. Now, of course, trying tong phone na ito on outdoor situation, I would say na ang ganda ng kanyang mga photos na nakaka-capture. So, it's really fast mag-focus, it's really sharp, And I like the way it was able to take in some really nice shots on outdoor condition. Lalo sa mga bulaklak, ang ganda ng focus, and some of the shots are really sharp and very detailed. If you take a look at some of these, yung mga ugat ng, ng puno, very, very detailed siya. Now, using its ultra-wide lens, taking this shot, then normal lens, 3.5 times zoom, and zooming all the way to 10 times zoom. Ang clear pa rin yan, no guys? This one, zoom natin all the way up to 50 times zoom, and this one can even shoot up to 100 times zoom. So ulitin natin, no? So this one is a ultra-wide lens, 1 times zoom, 3.5 times zoom, 50 times zoom, and this is 100 times zoom. Now, taking some sunset shot looks really nice, and it looks something like this. Very dramatic ang kanyang finish siya. Tinry naman natin mag-shoot inside a tunnel using the night mode. So, yeah, this one is definitely very nice, very clear ang kanyang night mode. Now, taking some animal shot like this one is very clear. I'm using 3.5 times zoom dito sa shot na ito. And yeah, look at the details, guys. Now, moving on to indoor shot, taking some mga food shot dito is very nice. Mukhang very delicious ang mga food na nakuha natin dito, no? All these shots are really nice and really delicious ang kanyang mga pagka-render kanya, no? And honestly, I'm impressed dito sa kanyang camera. No wonder it's being one of the #1 camera sa DXO Mark. So taking some of these indoor shots are really dramatic as well. And the way na nagfo-focus ng camera na to is definitely nice. Just simply look at this picture. Malalaman naman na maganda talagang kanyang camera. So hindi lang maganda ang kanyang rear camera, pati ang kanyang front-facing camera is also very nice, no? So I was able to take in some of this really nice shot using a 0.7 ultra-wide lens and a 0.8, and this one is a normal lens. Capturing some outdoor shot using the front-facing camera is definitely okay. So tinry ko rin naman kumuha ng video using the front-facing camera, shooting at 4K and 30 FPS. And this is the sample na pwede ko pakita sa inyo. So guys, this is the Honor Magic 5 Pro. Right now, I'm shooting at 4K and 30 FPS using the ultra-wide lens. This is the 0.8x and this is the normal lens. So I can say it's pretty much close up, but I prefer to use the 0.8. Is probably the most ample enough for vlogging. Like I say, it's pretty much stable as what I can see here. And right now, I'm just panning around here outdoors, and I can say na it's really something that you want to use as a daily driver for vlogging, especially when you're taking some TikTok videos. This one is simply just perfect. And of course, the audio is recorded using the default microphone. What can you say? And using the rear camera to take a 4K video, ito naman ang sample. So, hindi lang okay ang kanyang camera for taking photos, but taking videos also okay dahil very stabilized siya, even using just your bare hand. Sobrang ganda rin ang kanyang mga videos na nakaka-capture dito sa Honor Magic 5 Pro. So guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa flagship phone ni Honor, which is the Honor Magic 5 Pro? This one comes in a global variant. Si Honor Magic 5 Ultimate is on a China ROM. So probably you might be wondering kung bakit wala si DXO Mark ranking Ultimate, dahil it's a China ROM. So, nire-rate lang ni DXO Mark ang mga global variant na nilalabas. So, this one is being the best na kaya offer ng Honor for global consumers. So, what do I think about this phone? Overall, itong phone na ito, ang feel niya is sobrang sarap ng feel dito sa kamay. It's really giving me a flagship-like feel. And lalo yung likod niya, no? Hindi siya yung madulas. Hindi rin siya yung magaspang na matte finish. Yung tama lang. So, giving me that nice grip dito sa likod ng phone is definitely a very premium feel. Now, also having a quad curve dito sa phone na ito, sa taas, sa ilalim, and on both sides is another good factor dito sa phone na ito. And binge watching dito sa phone na ito is also enjoyable. Probably, ang gaming experience na pagdating sa Genshin Impact, hindi lang ganun ka-enjoyable dahil medyo nagda-drop din siya. So, probably, hopefully, ma-improve to using some firmware updates in the future. But ang kanyang camera experience is definitely one of the best na kaya offer sa'yo ng Honor for this year, 2023. So guys, if you're interested to know itong phone na ito, about its price and kung saan na pwede mabili, I'll be posting everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo na rin bell icon para hindi nyo mamiss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.